Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with the drawing for my giveaway. Just a little recap of what's in the giveaway. I have a whole package and I've added some stickers to it, but these are leftover stickers, some new sheets, some have not been used, and these are just leftover stickers from kits that I didn't use. So sticking that in there, and there's a nice thick bunch of stickers. And then this is the Gemini by Crafters Companion embossing folder, and it's party time. I love embossing folders. I love them more than even die cuts, I think. And then you get a set of these really pretty colored highlighters, dual tipped. And then you get a Christmas die with the Christmas trees. You also get a stack of craft paper Post-it notes. And I'll probably throw in a pen or something just to add to it. You had to be 18, you had to be a current subscriber, you had to like and share this video and tell me where you shared it. I have one person that did not follow all the directions, so it's US only. If someone comes back to my video and says that you sent them, you get an extra entry, the person that sent them. I have one person that did that. It's a deal. And then you must enter me in the comments and where you have shared the video. So these are the people that followed all the directions. Angeli Nanda. I'm just going to fold all these up into tiny pieces. I made sure I used the all the same paper so I can't know who is who. So fold them up tiny. And then I have Stacy. I appreciate you all sharing my videos. My channel continues to grow. I'm at 543, so I appreciate all the support, and yeah, I just hope it keeps growing. And then we have B&D Crafts and More. And then I had Ace in Beautyland. Some new names to that have followed and entered my giveaway this time, so that's fun. I'm getting to know a lot of the crafters and planners. Erica Miras. Sticky notes are so stiff. Lovey Ball. Then we have Gloria Crafts, Hauls, and More. And you should also look at who has commented down below. Some of your other friends that have entered, and go follow their channels. They have a lot of really good content. And then It's a Deal has 2 entries because Stacy said that It's a Deal sent her over to my channel. So here's It's a Deal second entry. And then I have Candace Estrada. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had 10 entries. I'm going to put this on and shake them up. Now, when I draw, the winner will have 48 hours to contact me, and if I have not heard from the winner by Tuesday evening, I will draw a new winner. So, mix them up a little more. And then I will draw one. So, our winner is Angeline Nanda. So Angeline Nanda, please comment down below in the comments of this video that you saw me draw your name, and then if you will send me an email. My email address is down below in the description. It is just gshoes1@yahoo.com, and then you can send me your mailing address and I will get your package out to you this week. So I will tape this on the top of here in case Angeline does not contact me in time. Then I'll be able to keep everybody's name in here until I hear from the winner. Make sure I don't need to draw another one. So Angeline, you have until Tuesday evening to comment down below in the comments that you saw this, and to send me an email with your mailing address so that I can get this out to you. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.